Hi and welcome back to Pressurelicious. My name is Presha Bharti. About I think 5 days ago, all of us came across this boys' locker room controversy, which was all over social media, Instagram, Twitter, and it just made me think that I have never come across a girl who hasn't been sexually harassed, molested, or in somewhat way felt uncomfortable around a guy in their lifetime. Isn't that surprising to you? We're living in 21st century and still the women around us feel unsafe going out or wearing certain clothes or just talking to a guy or sharing their intimate pictures. It's so disturbing that people who go to school, like kids who go to school, are pulling all these stunts, like making such groups, degrading women, slut shaming them, morphing their pictures. And these kids are from elite schools in Delhi. And I'm sure there are so many more boys' locker room trash that we haven't come across yet. I'm sure there has to be like so many more that we are yet to see. Why? Like what goes in their head? They want to rape women. They're making plans of gang raping them. The boys' locker room chat had some really demeaning pictures where they are slut shaming girls, morphing their pictures, and when they were outed by a few girls, they didn't have this much remorse of what the fuck they have done. इतनी सी भी शर्म नहीं थी उनमें कि इतना कुछ हो गया उसके बाद अपोलोजाइज करना तो दूर की बात है. उन लोगों ने सोचा चलो जिन लड़कियों ने ये सब बातें स्क्रीनशॉट्स शेयर किए हैं अपने सोशल मीडिया पे उनकी नेकेड पिक्चर्स हम लोग नेट पे डाल देते हैं. सो दे नो कि उन्होंने किनसे पंगा लिया है. एंड आई ऑल्सो रेड इन वन ऑफ द मैसेजेस वेयर द गाय सेइंग hey you guys don't worry, I'm gonna make few calls and set this all aside. What is up with you guys? I mean थोड़ी शर्म नहीं है, कुछ शर्म नहीं है. वैसे शर्म होती तो ये सब करते ही नहीं. इतनी प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड, इतनी सेंस होती तो ये सब करते ही नहीं. मतलब ऐसे लोगों के बीच में हम रहते हैं और हमें नहीं पता चलता कि वो लोग क्या किसको मैसेज कर रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं, रेप थ्रेट्स दे रहे हैं, गैंग रेप के प्लान्स बना रहे हैं. It almost sounds like it's a cool thing to do because these youngsters are doing it from good elite schools. It's just crazy. I don't even have words for it. I am absolutely speechless reading those threads of messages. It disgusts me. It disgusts me to another level. So after I read those messages, the first thing I did was I called my brother and I asked him, are you a part of any boys' locker room or any group that demeans men or women in any sense? That was the first thought that crossed my mind, that I should check with my brother. And I think all of us women, be it mother, sister, daughter, whoever it is, we should check with our friends or family members or brothers or daughters or sons. I think that is where the sex education, the sex talk becomes very, very important. I think many of them from the group never really had that conversation with their parents, where their parents are telling them, teaching them that, hey, this is not okay, this is not cool. Everyone deserves respect, man. No one is supposed to be disrespected in any way, just not sexually, but any way, for absolutely no reason. So I'm sure अगर उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ उनका ये डायलॉग हुआ होता या फिर ये कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई होती जहाँ पे उनके पेरेंट्स ने उन्हें सिखाया होता कि बॉस, आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग इन स्कूल, आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर रीडिंग, आई डोंट नो व्हाट sites you're surfing on internet, but I want you to know that just like you are a human being, so are the girls, or in girls' case, so are the boys. So you cannot disrespect a guy or a girl for that matter. You can't bully them, you can't sexually harass them, you can't give them rape threats, you can't give them kidnapping threats, because it's not cool. It's so obvious, it's so very obvious कि ये सब चीजें नहीं करनी चाहिए, बट उसके बाद भी लोग करते हैं. तो इसीलिए ऐसे लोगों के साथ या किसी भी इंसान के साथ जब वो स्कूल जाने लायक हो जाते हैं तो ये कॉन्वर्सेशन करना इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, क्योंकि जो चीज हमारे लिए ऑब्वियस है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये उन लड़कों के लिए या वो लड़कियों के लिए ऑब्वियस नहीं है. सो वन ऑफ द गर्ल्स हु आउटेड दीज गाइज वाज फाउंड डूइंग द सेम थिंग. She turned out to be a homophobic. She was texting a guy, calling him a faggot, or I don't know, like really disturbing texts there as well. So boss, उसके पेरेंट्स को भी ये बात उनसे करनी चाहिए. या फिर स्कूल्स में, आई एम सो अप फॉर इट. स्कूल्स में जैसे मैथ्स होता है, साइंस होता है, इंग्लिश होता है, हिंदी होता है, सिमिलरली एक सेक्स एजुकेशन का भी सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए. बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी किड्स, एक क्लटर तो गंदा होता ही है. लाइक सम ऑफ द किड्स आर जस्ट सो डिस्ट्रक्टिव And some of the kids are so naive that when they become friends with the destructive kids, their minds during the teenage, during the age from 5 to 10 is so impressionable. जो भी वो देखते हैं कि अच्छा मेरा दोस्त ये कर रहा है, मेरे दोस्त ने उस लड़की के साथ मेकआउट करा और वो सेक्स कर रहा और फिर वो उसे पब्लिसाइज कर रहा है और फिर वो कूल बनने के लिए ग्रुप में पिक्चर्स शेयर कर रहा है एंड ऑल दैट, तो हो सकता है कि मुझे भी ब्लेंड इन होने के लिए ये सब चीजें करनी पड़ेंगी. बट अगर उस बच्चे के पेरेंट्स ने उसके साथ एक ओपन सेक्स कॉन्वर्सेशन की होती कि बॉस ये लड़का है, ये लड़की है, आप लड़की हो तो आप लड़की की तरफ अट्रैक्टेड होगे, बट देयर इज अ वे टू अप्रोच इट. सिमिलरली आप लड़की हो, आप एक लड़की की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होगे तो देयर इज अ वे टू अप्रोच इट. सो ये कॉन्वर्सेशन इतनी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई है आज के टाइम में, बिकॉज वी कांट मूव फॉरवर्ड एज सोसाइटी इफ दिस कंटिन्यूज. वी जस्ट कैन नॉट मूव फॉरवर्ड. पूरा हिस्ट्री उठा के देख लो बॉस, स्टार्टिंग से लेकर एंड तक अगर किसी चीज ने अभी तक ग्रोथ नहीं की है, that is respect of women, that respect attribute in terms of sexual, in terms of providing opportunities is lacking. मुझे नहीं पता ये प्रॉब्लम कब से चलती आ रही है, बट आई थिंक रिप्रेशन ऑफ वुमेन हैज बीन कंटिन्यूड फ्रॉम सेंचुरीज. और हम आज भी उसी टॉपिक पे बात कर रहे हैं. इट्स बीन सेंचुरीज. या लेट्स स्टार्ट रिस्पेक्टिंग वुमेन. लेट्स नॉट ट्रीट देम एज मीट्स. They're not. जैसे तुम हो इंसान और तुम्हारे सेक्सुअल पार्ट्स हैं, वैसे ही लड़कियां हैं और उनके सेक्सुअल पार्ट्स हैं. Fantasizing about it is perfect. It's all right. You're attracted. Sex is a part of our lives. Great. But morphing pictures, sharing their nudes in a group that they sent you personally in a private sex chat or whatever chat that was, it's not cool. It's absolutely not cool. Should I even be mentioning it that it's not cool? कि तुम्हें पता नहीं है कि ये नहीं है सही लेकिन करना है फिर भी, तो भैंस के आगे बीन बजाने वाली बात है बॉस. I really want to know what is inside that person, everyone who does it. Again, I'm saying being sexually attracted to someone and fantasizing about them is okay. It's a natural phenomena. A girl will be attracted to a guy, or a girl will be attracted to a girl, or a guy will be attracted to a guy, or a guy will be attracted to a girl. Attraction is fine. Sexual attraction is absolutely fine. But degrading them, slut-shaming them, calling them names, making fun of them, making fun of their faces, their pictures, their body parts, just making fun of it for your entertainment, for your temporary entertainment, you're probably scarring a person for life. तुम तो बोल के भूल जाओगे जो भी तुम बोलते हो बकवास. तुम तो बोल के आगे निकल जाओगे. तुम्हें तो पता नहीं उसके बाद बंदे ने क्या सोचना है. When the person is sitting alone, when the person is really feeling low, that's when all these things comes rushing to their brains. ये सब बातें बंदा तब याद करता है. And it goes for both the genders, man. I'm not pinpointing just the guys who were in the locker room. The guys in the locker room, तो boys locker room, तो वो है जो हमारे सामने आ गए. और ऐसे बहुत सारे, I am 100% sure, इससे भी गंदे, इससे भी घटिया लोग होंगे, ऐसे और भी घटिया ग्रुप्स में जो कि ये सब हरकतें करते होंगे. Coming to the blackmailing aspect, I know so many girls who just come to the threats given to them. I'm sure, I mean, even they would think it's just a naked picture. Maybe if I just give it to the person, he would stop harassing me. He would stop blackmailing me or whatever the person is doing, threatening me. So many of the women probably would have just shared their nudes with these guys, so they stopped harassing them. But guess what? That is where the problem begins. That is where these guys share it in the groups, morph the pictures, or just upload it online and ruin the girl's life. This is sick. This mentality is sick. And if people are watching this video, I would really request all of you, whether you're a guy or you're a girl, please check with your male friends, please check with your brother, please check with your sisters, please check with anyone who could be a part of this group. I would say check with anyone who is a millennial, क्योंकि बॉस प्रॉब्लम अभी हमसे ही जनरेट हो रही है. So how about we just ask everyone and anyone who is a part of this society right now. I checked with my brother. You should also check with your brother. You should also check with your guy friends, male friends, or who you are friends with. कि बॉस हमें बता दो अगर कुछ ऐसा है तो, और अगर तुम्हें चाहिए कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन चाहिए, कोई थेरेपी चाहिए तो बताओ प्लीज. इतनी गंदगी लेके कहाँ जाओगे यार? I know it's a very serious topic that I'm discussing right now, but it is the need of the hour. So I'm really requesting all of you guys to not objectify a guy or a girl, be it a penis, be it a vagina, be it breasts. Stop objectifying. और अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है you can't stop doing it, seek help, seek therapy, talk to your parents, or if you think your parents can't understand it, talk to someone who can, talk to your relative or a person जिससे तुम ये सब चीजें शेयर कर सकते हो, because इसी गंदगी में रहते रहोगे तो आगे जाके कुछ अच्छा नहीं होने वाला. People like you are going to turn into a rapists. People like you are going to turn into gang rapists, murderers और जो भी तुम गंदा सोच सकते हो, क्योंकि वो यहीं से शुरू होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि अच्छा खासा बंदा जो कभी बुरा नहीं सोचता, जो कि कभी बुरा नहीं करता, एक दिन सुबह उठा और तो सोचा चलो आज मर्डर करते हैं, चलो आज रेप करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It starts from somewhere. It starts from a thought. And this is that thought. This is what escalates to a rape. This is what escalates to sexual harassment or all the bad deeds that's happening around us. And if you think that you're a part of the group but you're not participating in that group, then let me tell you, you are a part of it. It can lead you to the same path that your friends in the group are following. So do not think if you're not participating or if you're just a part of the group and not talking or not degrading women in any way or not degrading men in any way, you're not bothered by it. Everyone's minds are impressionable and so is yours. If you're a human being, your mind is also impressionable. तो जैसे आज तुमने उस ग्रुप चैट में पढ़ा कि उस लड़के ने ऐसे ऐसे लिखा उस लड़की के बारे में, या फिर उस लड़के ने ये बोला कि आज मैंने उसके साथ सेक्स करा, आज मैंने उसके साथ सेक्स करा, तो कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये चीज बैठ जाएगी कि इट्स ओके. अगर मैं भी कल को किसी लड़की को हैरेस करता हूँ, so that's gonna be okay. But let me tell you, my friend, it's not. So even if you're just in the group and not participating in it, your ignorance says a lot about you. You don't necessarily have to participate in it. So no, you're not as punishable as the culprit, but you are punishable. This week's topic was really heavy. I would really request you guys to spread this message across. Spread it to as many people as you know who would benefit or gain something out of this video. And if you guys have learned something from this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. You will see this happy Presha next week on Friday. Till then, please stay safe, stay indoors, stay in your home and maintain hygiene. I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. And if you guys would like to give me any inputs about this video or any of my previous videos, please leave it in the comments down below. And if you guys have anything to share with me, you can drop me a message on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Follow my Instagram page and directly message me on Instagram. And if you guys would like to hear my opinions on any other topic, please drop those topics in the comments down below. I will check it out. I will make a video on those topics as well. Till then, stay safe and that's it. Okay, bye.